But I have faith in my Lakers that we're gonna win this one. Can't even lie. Hello? So we're just gonna skip past that. Yeah, not me, buddy. Not me. Is that Vincent? Bro, I can shoot better with my eyes closed, blindfolded, in a swimming tank. What was that shot? By himself, on an island. Bro, Luka, he's gonna have a big game today. Another one? Another one. No DJ Khaled. Another one. Another three. Nice! Oh no, he lost it. Oh my god. Vincent, do something. For the love of God! Yeah! That's what I'm talking about! I like this. We're still up by 6. Woo! What a fake! Reeves with a fake. Nah, he's making them hop like a bunny. Yes, sir! Nice steal! Yeah! Finish the job. Oh! Let's go! This is the Lakers that I love. Bro, 110-128 Lakers win.